You look like such a fucking mermaid. You're like the sexiest mermaid ever, dude. You know what I'm saying, bro? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, it's your boy Paul Cantu, and
it's your boy Lil Kinky Twist.
We live in the mix right now, live in the Thrift. Looking very fashionable, very swagalicious. With 2019 approaching, I really want to take my fashion a lot more seriously and also bi-curiously. Shout out to Sus Squad, we really out here. But yeah, today we're gonna retrieve some gems for the win. Ain't that right, Kingster?
Yes, sir.
You hear that? You can hear the slap of it? Yeah, that's how you know they're ass sculptors for men. The shape ups times champion collab. Gonna take off on spaceship. Tell me if you think it's real. What's it feel like? It's a lion. Yeah. These are nice. You found these here?
Yes. I'm making arrangements.
You have a flower collection?
I'm gonna make the flowers from papers.
Nice. Man, that's cool. I hope I'm invited. Thank you, thank you.
For one so small, you seem so strong.
What's that?
You got a fit upgrade right here.
Ooh.
Fur boots match the fur.
Wait, hold on. Let's confirm. Bruh.
Perfect. Found a Stastny.
Yeah, who's Stastny?
That's my Soviet brother. You know, that's why I'm wearing this fur in memory of him. R.I.P.
R.I.P.
Rest in peace, Stastny.
Bruh, you kidding me? You kidding me? Bro, the sleeve never deceives.
Oh.
You got that Adidas burgundy fine wine, what I'm sipping on. Look at that, man. $6. That price I ain't even tripping on. Hey, look at this, man. A clean little essential, baby. You got that Levi's dark denim, size XL, fresh as hell. It won't fit me, but thriftheavenvintage.com has all the steals and deals at affordable prices. Go ahead and cop yourself something.
Not my president.
You're just gonna pull up with a plush like that? Oh wait, new racks. Wait, they got the Duff Beer plush? Are you joking me? Okay, bro, on the rack there were two divine finds. You got that Planet Hollywood Honolulu with the kangaroo pouch. You also got this Adidas essential, heavily embroidered. Look at that little patchwork, nice cocaína color scheme. Yo, grab that beer.
This is the opposite of my women. Dry. Tripping.
Hold on. Dude, just pulled up on me looking this fresh. Yo.
Hey, I'm dripping right now.
Dripping?
Dripping! Dripping!
Hey, what kind of animal is that? Looks like a pine cone has sex with a porcupine.
That's exactly what it is. I stay off of bean. I'm off that LL bean, you heard?
Yeah.
I feel like the more fur I have on, just, you know, the more high fashion I am.
Yeah, your sex appeal definitely goes up with each piece of fur you add.
Right? Just simple, you know, just I don't know why people don't get it. Just put as much fur on as possible, you know. Mixing and matching furs, it's all good. Just as long as you got fur on.
Sound advice.
It don't matter. You could have bear,
okay,
cheetah,
rare.
It don't matter. You can have rabbit,
okay,
and lamb.
Okay.
It don't matter, bro. As long as you got fur, it don't matter if it's matching.
I try to grab a garment, the damn staple done fuck me up. I'm about to transmit strep toe to somebody. Fuck. I don't want to do it. See, it's just a little dick drip on the inside.
Dripping! Dripping!
Hey, I see you got them dainty hands and them dainty gloves after you hit them with that buckshot.
Hey, now, when you're thrifting, you gotta always use protection. You know what they say, no glove, no love.
The Elder Wand is gone. All right, we have a new segment called Rate Her Finds. Where basically, she pulled up with a bunch of button ups. We're gonna see what's good and what's not. So she got the Harley Davidson Batman collab. Copper drop. We'll think about it. She got this plaid taco elbow.
Plaid? Paisley?
Plaid taco elbow. $5. That's a drop. All right, we got another. This is a fun, funky, like Donald Glover style. It's by Malia. $3. I'll say cop. What do you say? Cop. This Tommy Hilfiger that is hideous. Drop. Another Tommy Hilfiger. Drop. Another Harley breast cancer awareness. We all ride together. Alright guys, we're jumping out the store. Needless to say, it was quite a profitable experience. Damn! You do our daughter like that?
My bad.
Yeah, so we got a lot of heat, you know what I'm saying? Got a lot of compliments.
I like yours too.
Hey. Hey. Made some old ladies' cobwebs get moisturized, if you know what I mean. And that's just how we rocking out here, you know? What's up, bro?
Hey, so I really don't appreciate what they did to Santa right here. Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, they put him in blue like he a Crip or something. But everybody know Santa of blood. Merry Christmas.
Give a fuck if he like it, but he gon' respect the scripting.
You know what time it is?
No.
It's time to find some more heat. Uh-oh, baby. It's getting a little bit hot in here. It's not just because of my ginormous, ignorantly large fur jacket, but also because your boy just found that Polo Bear by Ralph Lauren. It does not have a signature little Polo Sport tag on it. Hey, we still out here though, that Polo. Ooh! What? Hey, that's like 3 jackets in one. That's like jacket inception. You just pulling up with that bugaboo? Nice! Oh!
That Tommy for your daughter?
For your little mommy. Nice! Bro, why I just stumbled upon greatness though? Look at this team Adidas. You guys know that's our squad. Oh my gosh. Bro, this thing is hard. It's double-sided. Definitely is a little patinaed with the piss stain, but still clean. Huh?
It's the worst kind of material ever made.
That's hard though. You got the Chester Cheetah embroidered corduroy rib blue jacket. Hey, we don't fuck with that though, do we?
Exactly.
Give a fuck if he like it, but he gon' respect the scripting.
Wait,
What? What?
I don't know shit about this, but is this shit legitimate?
Oh, that's Supreme made in USA. Slayer tee. Supreme on the back. Did Kinky just find Supreme in the thrift? 2016 Slayer GMS LTD machine wash worn. Yeah, you guys can look at the tag, but yeah, you got the little Slayer shit, you dig? So we need to authenticate whether this guy is legitimate or not. So I am going to use the phone a friend application and choice of assistance right now. I'm gonna hit up the boy Jacob William Starr.
Yeah, it's not like a super hype stuff. And like the tag looks legit based off of FaceTime, but I can't say like for 1000% since I can't see like stitching or anything like that, but it looks legit.
Oh my god, thank you Jacob William Starr.
Oh my god, verified.
Oh, so it's confirmed, baby. That boy Kinky done found the Supreme in the thrift.
Supreme in the thrift, baby. You already know what it is. Your boy stay finding them grails.
Huh, yeah. Oh man, slight work, but that is crazy that was found in the thrift. Yeah, bitch.
Bro, just Just fill up on that.
Fill up on it.
Yeah.
Ooh, dude, it's like I'm reading Braille,
Feel
dude.
them snowflakes on that.
Oh yes, I feel them snow puffs.
A little cardinal on that, B.
Ooh, what do you think's in there, Budweiser wagon? What do you think hiding in that covered bridge?
Those ain't them Clydesdales.
They're not. What are they?
Nah, they just some other horses.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah.
Is that bait, bruh?
That's
Oh
baby.
yeah, that's babe. Oh my God. I hope my son doesn't become a damn alcoholic, showing naked ass to the whole world. That shit's fucked up, bro.
Hey, follow my boy at Logan Monroe on Instagram. He's going through a tough time. Y'all go show him some love. And that's Logan_Monroe.
Hey, and while you following Logan_Monroe, be sure to follow long.live.lil.kinky.twist.
It ain't that many dots.
Hey, and follow me at Mr. Paul Cantu. You know we posting that fire.
Hey, Instagram down in the description.
Hell yeah.
Shut the fuck up, bitch!
Yo, it's the whole gang. You guys know. I hated Goofy especially.
I hated Goofy especially.
Ready? One. Take me home, country road, to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home. Is that Babe? Lord have mercy, I done did it, baby. This actually is like a personal grab on me. You got the 1999 NBA champs, San Antonio Spurs, baby. Yes, sir. It's double-sided, man. Got all the names of the players, if I am correct. And then you have all of them caricatured out on the front. What an absolute beauty. Damn. Kinky pulls up flexing with the bitch, you guessed it.
Bitch, you guessed it. You was right.
Guess jeans in the yellow color scheme. What size waist are they?
30.
Fuck. Holy hell, Kinky over here hitting a fat lick. Boy got that Tommy Hilfiger fleece. Sheesh. Hey, good job, mate.
Yeah.
Damn! Why y'all pull up flexing? Got the Disney all embroidered crew neck. What else you got down there? Oh, women stuff. I got women viewers too. What's up?
You know we stay with the swishers down here in Texas.
Huh.
Yeah.
Shout out Swisher House. Oh man, yo, I was all the way down there and I came all the way here. And the first thing your boy found is that Polo Sportsman turtleneck, bruh. Polo Sport, yeah, put that thing in sport. And this guy you already know is fishing. He knows that fishing. Get you out of the bitches. Ousted Ralph. Damn, baby, damn.
Yeah, D-Rock Jetter.
Let me see that. Oh yeah, D-Rock Jetter.
A little piss stain.
Ooh, I'd rather be pissed on than pissed off, you dig? Hey, you got that CTMS, baby. That come tickle my scrotum brand, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Look at that tiger. Woo! Look at that embroidery.
Just spit on my lip.
All right, we're winding things down. Kinky got himself some maternity yoga pants.
Thanks.
And also pulled up with that big Nike check pullover, bro. This thing is clean and pristine as well. Hey, you know what they say, Nike boys, we don't do 3 stripes. Hey, 3-point contest. Fuck.
It's like I won.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, so we're jumping out of Family Thrift right now. We got a lot of drippage today. So yeah, man, any of you guys who want any vintage gear, you know, go to thriftandvintage.com. Also, shout out them for having that random Supreme Tee live in the Thrift. That thing only costs $2. They're like 70 brand new on StockX. So that definitely is a cool find overall. So yeah, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Signing off from Lil Kinky.
Always eat ass.
Always eat what?
Always eat ass.
And our son over here, man. Yeah, young fur boys in this bitch. We locked, we loaded, and we gone.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.